Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by capturing the actual noise you need to remove. Record a short, quiet clip of just background hiss or hum. 1 to 3 seconds is enough. Once done, set Audacity to 44. 1K Hz and 16-bit so the filter behaves predictably. Then, using the selection tool, highlight only the pure noise section. This is crucial because Audacity builds a profile from that sample. Make sure not to include any speech or transient sounds when you grab the noise. Next, open Effect and choose Noise Reduction. Click Get Noise Profile so Audacity learns the unwanted spectrum. After that, reopen Noise Reduction and configure 3 knobs. Reduction controls dB removed, sensitivity controls detection threshold, and frequency smoothing reduces artifacts. Use Preview to listen, then tweak. Lower reduction with higher smoothing often preserves natural voice. Once satisfied, select the entire track and apply. This targeted approach removes consistent back. Finish by cleaning up tonal issues. Apply a gentle high-pass filter around 80 Hz to cut rumble, and use equalization to notch any remaining hum frequencies. Then, compress lightly and normalize to about -1 dB for consistent loudness. If you hear pumping or metallic artifacts, undo and lower the noise reduction dB, or increase frequency smoothing. Artifacts usually mean over-aggressive removal. Finally, preview the whole file. If problems persist, re-record a longer noise profile and repeat the process.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.